GPTs are here, and we have already seen thousands of them being created. This opens a new world of possibilities. With the connection to Zapier, you can connect your GPT to over 4,000 apps. And soon, you'll even be able to share it on a place they're calling the GPT Store. Okay, let's pause for a moment because we are running ahead. ChatGPT is on the fast track of progress, and the dashboard brings major improvements, making it super user-friendly. According to a new dashboard update, the GPT-4 and GPT 3.5 model selector has moved to the upper left corner. Everything is combined under ChatGPT combined features, including DALL 3, the web browser, and the code interpreter. This means you can generate, upload images, and perform web browsing all in one model. No need to switch between different models anymore. That alone saved me over 50 conversations a week. Exploring the updates is easy with the new chat button. Being in one chat and starting another is not difficult now. The design of the sidebar is also very useful. It is organized and visually appealing. In this big update, the most important feature is the ability to create your own GPT. Wondering how to do it? The Explore button under ChatGPT is the new ChatGPT homepage. Just click on it and a new dashboard pops up where you can check out the GPTs made by OpenAI. I love what OpenAI did with the process of creating your own GPT. They made it so simple. All you need to do is chat with it and it will automatically update everything for you. To start, just click on Create a GPT and you'll see a screen where you can set up your new GPT. On the right, there's a box where you can talk to your GPT and see how it responds right away. This way, you don't have to save, try, go back, and edit a lot. It's pretty good that there's a little preview box. And again, when you're creating this GPT, just use regular, everyday words. You don't need anything complex. It's like you're talking to a chatbot. You don't have to know any fancy code. You can even put up files to help the system understand better what you want your chatbot to do. You can even upload documents that it can use to learn and upgrade itself. Let's take an example. When the system starts by saying, "Hi, I'll help you build a new GPT." You can tell it something like, "Make a guide for passive income ideas. Keep it simple." The system will then ask for a name suggestion. It's all about tailoring the solution to what you need. Easy, right? Once the GPT finishes updating, he will give you a potential name, for example, Income Insider. You can go with that name or pick your own. Once you approve it, he will generate a profile picture. If the suggested profile picture isn't what you want, no problem. Just ask the system to make it simpler. Remember, you're not dealing with any code. You're just chatting with the system, making the whole thing super easy for you. Once you've set the profile picture, the system then moves on to the next question, asking how detailed the passive income ideas should be. Should it give high-level guidance or go in depth with step-by-step instructions? The next, but very important step, is to provide some simple and general instructions for your GPT to follow. These instructions should be easy to understand, setting the tone for a friendly and helpful interaction. Also, include a few conversation starters to prompt engagement and make the conversation more dynamic. When it comes to capabilities, consider your GPT's role. If it's geared towards passive income ideas, you might want to enable features like web browsing. This ensures your GPT has the tools it needs to excel in its designated tasks. Remember to keep the configurations general, creating a comfortable and user-friendly environment. By following these steps, your GPT will be configured to chat in a helpful and approachable manner, making interactions enjoyable for users. I'm telling you, this new GPT update is going to be awesome. Now, there's this thing called the Actions tab. It's like a set of tools, APIs, that your GPT can use. You can make your GPT super customized. By customizing GPT, you can make the AI more powerful, essentially giving it a connection to other applications on the web. We won't go into it right now, but if you want me to, let me know in the comments. When you're happy with how you've set it up, tested it, and tweaked it a bit, hit Save. That's where you decide what to do with your GPT. Do you want it to be just for yourself, or do you want to share it with others? You can choose to keep it private, share it with specific people using a link, or make it public. Once you decide, hit Confirm. After clicking Confirm, your GPT will be saved in your database. It's powered by GPT-4. Now, you can send messages using your GPT, customized based on your instructions. Great job! By following these steps, you can successfully share your GPT with the public. Now, when more people use it, you have the chance to earn money. The more popular and useful your GPT becomes, the more potential there is for you to make some cash from it. ChatGPT is always getting better and changing things in the world of AI. Every time it gets updated, there are new things for you to try and make it your own. Keep an eye out for even more amazing features in the future as ChatGPT continues to make conversations even more interesting.